Yo, what's good, y'all niggas? Back with another video. Today, I want to be talking about something real quick, and it's called "Don't Be the Gay Best Friend." Now, before we get into this shit, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. Comment down below if you got any instances. So let's get into it. Women, they want the strongest man alive for them. Now, listen. That could be either financially, strong in confidence, strong in status and all that shit. So yeah, that's why I advise you all to go hard on all of them. So yeah, but today I had this chick. I have a bro that I had a bro that like one of this chick, right? That I was like, or what had interesting. Let me say that, and I was finessing. They told me that she wanted. I'm like shit. I mean, me, I can give, so I already know she like me. So like fuck. I'm trying to get this nigga some points too. I'm trying to help this guy get the chick too. And then the chick, right? Well, with other people, right? So then they start talking about this nigga, right? And then they try like become like switch up the film, become girly. You know what I mean? Like, oh, this nigga, yeah, this nigga, yeah. Now I'm like, whoa, I immediately check that shit out. And that's the same shit that I'm trying to get, so that's good for me in interest points. But who gives a fuck, right? It's like saying, I like, hey, I'm like, hey, cut that shit. I'm not your gay best friend. Yeah, you can do that shit somewhere else. And I'm like, yeah. And then she stopped that shit completely, and then she switched the subject. Alright, it kind of goes to show like the respect that you gotta have for yourself to go through something like that. Cause if somebody is not talking to you or talking about some other nigga, you're like, whoa, you don't want to hear that. So you I say, hey, I ain't trying to hear that about some other nigga time, some nigga thing. It's me and you time. That's all. You can talk to him. You can talk about him when he's there. Simple shit, right? But now, that shit counts confidence. If you do this shit, you need to have confidence. And let's be honest, some of y'all niggas don't even have confidence. So like shit. So I always go on that self improvement. Go hard on that shit. Like I always say, go hard on that shit, and then get the confidence, and then get that shit that you're trying to have interest in. If you haven't pursued yet, if you pursue, say nah, go to the next chick, or you can I don't even want to say practice, cause AMS say that you shouldn't be practicing, cause subconsciously shit can happen. Like you can get accosted to one's own way. You don't think get the chicks that you treat like. So yeah, you gotta be you gotta be like firm and shit when you string check this thing. Cause this is a kind of disrespect shit. I take this shit as disrespect. We don't talk about niggas when the niggas not dead. Even if the nigga's dead, you can call him out, yes. But then don't involve me in this shit. Cause I was involved in the conversation. And then nigga like this guy is so beta. Like international translated, like this guy is so beta, hella beta. And I'm like, oh, I ain't trying to hear that bullshit. Like, I check that shit. Check that shit. And whenever a chick says, you think the opposite. For example, if a chick says, hey, I like your personality. Now, I personally think, yeah, basically, she ain't feeling your shit. She's just stroking your ego. That's what I think she's doing. But then she says, man, nigga, you heartless as fuck, man. Nigga, you heartless. You're doing something right. Was women are like heartless niggas. Because if they're calling out for saying, hey, he's heartless, I think you're doing the right thing, because that means you're not giving her any attention, you ain't giving her no validation, and she thinks that's just being an asshole. So hey, you're doing the right thing. So good shit. If she says why you're heartless or why you're so rude or some shit, just say let's know in the back of your head that you're doing right. This bitch is coming around, and yeah, I guess that's it. That's it for the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. Anything that you got. My playlist is there. Instagram is there. My website is there. Holla back at your boy. Shit.